Hi everybody, Mr. Wise here with a mystery instrument. Now, this instrument is so big I have to kind of pull back so you can see the whole thing. This instrument is called a trombone. It's really big. It isn't that heavy though because it's just a bunch of metal tubing. By the way, trombone. I'm going to teach you a little bit of French for people who like other languages. I know I love learning other languages. Here's the thing. In French, there's a word trombone also. Do you know what it means? It means paperclip. Take a look at this thing. Oh, it kind of looks like a paperclip, yeah. But it's got some special qualities. It sounds way better than a paperclip, I promise. Here's a song that you might recognize. It goes like this. That song was Ode to Joy by Beethoven, and the trombone sounds great with this song because it's known for such powerful sounds, and that's a powerful song. So how does this thing work? Well, there are a couple of parts moving. I have to use my air, and I have to use my arm. As you can see, I was moving my arm. Well, here's what happens first. Let's talk about my air. It's a brass instrument, like a trumpet, or a French horn, or a tuba, and just like those brass instruments, this trombone, I make a buzz into a little cup called the mouthpiece. So here's how this works. I'm going to take my wind, and I'm going to blow out my pretend birthday candle. Can you do the same? Ready? Do you feel the wind? A lot of wind, right? So what's going to happen next is you're going to put your lips kind of close together, and you're going to kind of buzz like this, right in the middle. You're not using your tongue, you're not going, but it's like, okay? And it'll sound really funny. You're going to pretend you have your birthday candle, and you spit on the cake. Everybody at the party gets real mad at you, like this. Ew. Ew. Make sure you're not like over the kitchen table or any food or anything when you try it. But anyway, I take that buzz and I put it into this mouthpiece. And if you look really closely in the center, there's a hole. It comes right at the end of this stem right here. And when I put the buzz in the cup, like this, it sounds like this. That's kind of gross sounding, but at the same time, if it does make a really cool sound eventually. Now, if I make a tighter buzz, like my lips are really close together, it'll actually go higher. Listen. And when I loosen up, it goes lower. So I take that, it sounds very silly, I put it in here, boop, and it sounds like a real trombone. I'm going to step back because it's going to be kind of loud. The trombone can make some super powerful sounds. You gotta have a lot of air to be able to play it though. It's a little hard when you first start out, but it's worth it because it's fun. Okay, so we're gonna play a couple of songs, but I want you to notice that my hands, my arm, actually makes the instrument longer. And when I make it longer, the notes usually go lower. Watch. Because when I make it longer, when I make it bigger things make lower sounds. So it goes low when I do that, and then it comes back up when I pull back in. So here's a song that you might recognize. Watch my slide as I do this. I'm going to put it kind of close to the camera so that you actually get the full effect of how close it is to you. It's kind of it's 3D. Here it comes. Take a listen. This is a song from Star Wars. It goes. Oh, let's start again. So that's the Imperial March. I could also play a little bit of jazz. This song is called When the Saints Go Marching In. And that's about all I can play on trombone for today. My lips are getting a little tired, but I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the music. And this is one of those ones that when you get to 4th grade someday, maybe you can play it. It would be my job to teach you. You don't need to already know anything about it except what it's called. This is a trombone. So I hope you enjoyed the music, and we'll talk to you soon. All right.